Hi, Nelson here once again. Today I'm going to show you how to create an email or a Google account or a Gmail account within 5 minutes. So if you don't have an email account or you know someone who doesn't have an email account, send this video to him or her that within 5 minutes you can be able to create a Gmail account in 2019. Without wasting so much time, let's get on. So we type Gmail into our browser and all your Gmail accounts appear, but we want to use another account. We click on create account. For myself, no, to manage my business, of course. And the business we are talking about, even though it's not a business, is All Saints. His last name is Parish Ghana. The username is All Saints Parish Ghana at gmail.com. Let's fill with my password manager. This is a password manager that auto fills or auto populates my passwords. If you're having difficulties getting passwords, you have a lot of accounts and you find difficult generating new passwords, then this password manager is recommended. Most accounts and websites now would demand you to use 8 or more characters with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols like Google is talking about here. So you should have all these and you have to keep these in your head, which is quite difficult. That is why a password manager like this is perfect. So I'll add this to my LastPass password manager and then I can move on. Next. So you see that with creating this on my browser would require me to verify this with a phone number. I have another video where a phone number verification would be optional. But I would do that on this video as well to show you that you can bypass this option and then go to another verification process, which is through an email. So let's open an incognito window and then put in Google Mail, Gmail. Okay. So we create an account to manage my business. We go back here, copy from the main browser to the incognito window. What is an incognito window? An incognito window is a window on a browser like Google Chrome where your information is not cached. That's another buzzword. I don't want to complicate things, but caching means the computer or the internet stores an image or reference of whatever you did on your browser, keeps it on a different or a part of the server, so that whenever you come back to your computer and you visit the same site, it will bring that image or that interface to you immediately for you to use, rather than going to fetch for the site on the main server or wherever the site is. You give you what you have seen before. An incognito window will not keep references or will not keep any information data about wherever you have been on the internet. So an incognito window is more secured. Nobody sees what you have done. In fact, the browser doesn't know what you did on an incognito window. That is what makes an incognito window rather much more perfect for this purpose. And the password, if I use a different password, it will conflict that in my password manager. Don't worry if you don't understand that, but I just want to get the same password for this. Move to the next. So we see that the phone number is optional here. We also have an email address which would be optional there. So we'll rather choose an email rather than a phone number. And the day is 28th 06 June 2000. Gender, custom, doesn't really matter. We rather not say. There are a lot of orientations. Now we move to next. Okay, I wish you can read this. I wouldn't. I'll agree to that. Bravo! So now we have a Gmail account for this purpose. You choose a view you want. You can choose the default, a comfortable or a compact one. I chose comfortable. You can go through all these links, learn how to use Gmail. If you don't, you get Gmail for your mobile with a link. So let's take all these here. Change profile image, we will do that. So let's change the profile image. So select a photo from the computer. We can change the profile image by selecting an image from the computer we have selected already. Okay, so this is our image that we would like to use. We set that as a profile photo. We can import contacts and mail if we have any accounts other than this that we have information there. We can then choose a theme. I prefer the dark themes, so I'll go for dark like I always do, and save. There you are. So this is our first message. Finish setting up your new Google account. Get a lighter, faster way to search. Searching fast, blah 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 blah. More apps, blah blah. More accounts, control, whatever. So that's our first mail in our Google account. So this is just about how you can create a Google account within 5 minutes. I hope I didn't go beyond the 5 minutes, but that's just about it. Send it to anybody who needs a Google account. If you don't want to put your phone on the internet, there's another video I will link to, so that you can also create an account without a phone verification. You can probably use another email you have. So that's just about it. Enjoy your day, and let me know if you have any questions about this.